Backing up your WordPress website from cPanel involves creating copies of both your website files and database. Here's how to do it. Backup website files. Log into cPanel. Access your hosting account and open cPanel. Open File Manager. In cPanel, go to File Manager under the Files section. Select your website files. Navigate to the public_HTML folder or where your WordPress site is installed. Select all files. Compress files. Right-click the selected files and choose Compress. Select Zip Archive format. Name your archive and click Compress File. Download the backup. After compression, right-click the zip file and select Download to store it on your local computer. Backup the WordPress database. Open phpMyAdmin. In cPanel, go to phpMyAdmin under the Databases section. Select Database. Choose the database used by your WordPress site. Export database. Click on the Export tab at the top. Choose the Quick Export method in SQL format. Click Go to download the database backup.